Hello everyone. Let's test our understanding and internalization of business administration principles with these 50 questions and answers. 1. What is business administration? Answer: Business administration is the field encompassing the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. 2. What are the four basic functions of management? Answer: planning, organizing, leading, directing, and controlling. 3. What is the primary goal of a business? Answer: while specific goals vary, the primary overarching goal is often to maximize shareholder wealth or achieve the organization's mission sustainably. 4. What is the difference between management and leadership? Answer: Management focuses on processes, systems, and tasks, while leadership focuses on inspiring and motivating people towards a vision. 5. What are the different levels of management? Answer: Top-level management, executives, middle-level management, department heads, and first-level management, supervisors. 6. What is organizational structure? Answer: The framework that outlines how activities such as task allocation, coordination, and supervision are directed toward the achievement of organizational aims. 7. Name 3 common types of organizational structures. Answer: functional, divisional, and matrix structures. 8. What is strategic planning? Answer: the process of defining an organization's strategy or direction and making decisions on allocating its resources to pursue this strategy. 9. What is a SWOT analysis? Answer: a strategic planning tool used to evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats involved in a project or business venture. 10. What is a mission statement? Answer: a brief statement that describes the organization's fundamental purpose, what it does, and why it exists. Functional areas. 11. What is marketing? Answer: the process of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. 12. What are the 4 Peter seconds of marketing? Answer: product, price, place, distribution, and promotion. 13. What is finance in business administration? Answer: the management of money and investments, including activities like budgeting, forecasting, and financial analysis. 14. What are the main financial statements? Answer: balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. 15. What is human resource management? HRM. Answer: the strategic approach to the effective management of an organization's employees to help the business gain a competitive advantage. 16. What are some key functions of HRM? Answer: recruitment, selection, training, compensation, and employee relations. 17. What is operations management? Answer: the area of management concerned with designing and controlling the process of production and redesigning business operations in the production of goods or services. 18. What is supply chain management? Answer: the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw materials into final products. 19. What is accounting? Answer: the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting financial transactions and events. 20. What is the difference between financial and managerial accounting? Answer: financial accounting focuses on external reporting, while managerial accounting provides information for internal decision-making. Management concepts. 21. What is delegation? Answer: assigning responsibility and authority for a task to another person. 22. What is motivation in the workplace? Answer: the forces that drive an employee's effort and persistence towards achieving organizational goals. 23. Name a few theories of motivation. Answer: Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Herzberg's two-factor theory. Expectancy theory. 24. What is communication in business? Answer: the process of conveying information, ideas, and feelings between individuals or groups within an organization. 25. What are the different types of communication in an organization? Answer: formal, written, meetings, and informal, grapevine. Vertical, upward, downward, and horizontal. 26. What is teamwork? Answer: a collaborative effort of a group of individuals to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way. 27. What is conflict management? Answer: the process of limiting the negative aspects of conflict while increasing the positive aspects of conflict. 28. What is change management? Answer: the process of guiding organizational change from a current state to a desired future state. 29. What is corporate culture? Answer: the shared values, beliefs, and norms that influence the behavior of employees within an organization. 30. What is business ethics? Answer: the moral principles that guide the way a business behaves and makes decisions. Business environment. 31. What is the external environment of a business? Answer: factors outside the organization that can influence its performance, such as economic, social, technological, political, and legal factors. Pestel. 32. What is globalization? Answer: the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of countries through the exchange of goods, services, information, and capital. 33. What is competition in the business world? Answer: the rivalry among businesses trying to attract and retain customers. 34. What is innovation? Answer: the creation of new ideas, goods, services, or processes. 35. What is sustainability in business? Answer: conducting business in a way that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Skills and competencies. 36. What are some essential skills for a business administrator? Answer: communication, leadership, problem solving, decision making, time management, and analytical skills. 37. Why is effective communication important in business administration? Answer: it facilitates coordination, builds relationships, and ensures clarity in instructions and information. 38. What is critical thinking? Answer: the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue to form a judgment. 39. Why is adaptability important in today's business environment? Answer: the business world is constantly changing, and organizations need to be flexible to survive and thrive. 40. What is emotional intelligence? Answer: the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions and the emotions of others. Contemporary issues. 41. What is the impact of technology on business administration? Technology has revolutionized communication, operations, marketing, and data analysis, leading to increased efficiency and new business models. 42. What is the significance of data analytics in business administration? Answer: data analytics helps organizations gain insights, make informed decisions, and improve performance. 43. What are some challenges facing businesses today? Answer: increased competition, rapid technological change, economic uncertainty, and the need for sustainability. 44. What is the role of ethics in corporate social responsibility, CSR? Answer. Ethics forms the foundation of CSR, guiding businesses to operate in a way that benefits society and the environment. 45. How has globalization impacted business administration? Answer. It has created new markets and opportunities, but also increased complexity in managing global operations and diverse workforces. Career paths and education. 46. What are some common career paths in business administration? Answer. Management analyst, marketing manager, financial analyst, human resources manager, operations manager. 47. What are the typical educational qualifications for a career in business administration? Answer. Bachelor's degree in business administration or a related field is often the minimum requirement, with master's degrees, like an MBA, being advantageous for advancement. 48. What is the value of an MBA degree? Answer. It provides advanced management skills, expands professional networks, and often leads to higher earning potential and leadership opportunities. 49. What are some key areas of specialization within business administration degrees? Answer. Finance, marketing, human resources, operations management, information systems. 50. How can continuous learning benefit a business administration professional? Answer. It helps them stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices, enhancing their skills and career prospects in a dynamic field. Thank you. Dear all, let's test our understanding and internalization of business administration principles. Anota words. Business administration is the field concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources, human, financial, material, and informational, to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. Key aspects within this definition: management of resources, organizational goals, effectiveness, efficiency, processes, decision-making. People management. In simpler terms, business administration is about making businesses work well. It's the art and science of managing a commercial enterprise, ensuring its smooth operation, growth, and overall success by coordinating various functions and resources. Professionals in this field often oversee day-to-day operations, develop strategies, manage teams, and make crucial decisions to keep the organization aligned with its objectives. Thank you.
सब अजीज, आइए बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के उसूलों की अपनी समझ और अंदरूनी होने की जांच करें। दूसरे अल्फाज, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक ऐसा शोबा है जिसका ताल्लुक किसी तंजीम के वसाइल, इंसानी, माली, मादी और मालूमाती को मुअस्सर तरीके से हासिल करने के लिए मंसूबाबंदी, तरतीब, हिदायत और कंट्रोल से है। इस तारीफ के अंदर कलीदी पहलू: वसाइल का इंतजाम, तंजीमी अहदाफ, तासीर, कारकर्दगी, अमल, फैसला साजी। लोगों का इंतजाम। आसान अल्फाज में, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कारोबार को अच्छी तरह से काम करने के बारे में है। ये एक तिजारती इदारे को मुनज़्ज़म करने का फन और साइंस है, मुख्तलिफ अफ़ाल और वसाइल को मरबूत करके उसके हमवार ऑपरेशन, तरक्की और मजमूई कामयाबी को यकीनी बनाता है। इस शोबे में पेशावर अफराद अक्सर रोज़मर्रा के कामों की निगरानी करते हैं, हिकमत अमली तैयार करते हैं, टीमों का नज़म करते हैं और तंजीम को उसके मकासद के साथ मुंसलिक रखने के लिए अहम फैसले करते हैं। शुक्रिया।
Business administration is the field concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources, human, financial, material, and informational, to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. Business administration is the field concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources, human, financial, material, and informational, to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. Business administration is the field concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources, human, financial, material, and informational, to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. Business administration is the field concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's resources, human,